guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul. I haven't done a haul in so long. Well, my last video was a haul, but it was a collective haul of just like Princess Polly items, which I also did a lookbook as well, so if you guys want to check that out, I will leave it down below. Today I'm bringing you a collective haul. So not gonna lie, I have been a bit naughty this. I have been buying quite a few things. It's a bad habit. I'm addicted, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's not a good habit. So if you can hear the wind chime, the wind has just like picked up in the last 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys a collective spring haul of just like a bunch of random items from a few shops that I've been shopping at. Pretty much all of it is done online. I don't really shop in store anymore because I'm just too lazy. I've mostly bought this stuff this past week. If you didn't know, which I haven't posted this video yet, and it'll probably go up after this video or before, I'm not sure yet. I've actually had my wisdom teeth out, so if I'm struggling to talk a little bit, that is why, but also like that's why I've been shopping so much, is because I'm so bored, and I've just decided to go shopping because I'm bored. Showing you guys a few items, and this is going to be a try on haul, so I'm super duper pumped. Let's just start into this because I feel like it's going to be a long one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it would mean the absolute world to me. I am slowly growing, which is so exciting. So yeah, just let me know what you'd like to see in the future as well, and yeah, let's just jump straight on into it. I'm going to start off with Nasty Girl. Honestly, I've bought quite a few things from Nasty Girl over the past like probably 6 months. Most of it I've ended up returning, but these two items that I've got, I bought with a big parcel of items, and most of them I sent back, but these two I fell in love with. So the first one is this little skirt here. It is so cute. The color honestly is amazing, and it's one of those like midi, like one of those skirts that just like is majorly in trend. Like it's not too long, but it's not too short. It's kind of like halfway. It's super slimming, just looks amazing, and oh my god, I love this skirt. And I'm not really someone who suits those kind of things, but this one just really looks amazing. It is a size 6, which I was amazed by, because I didn't think it was going to fit, but it fits perfectly. Has a zip on the side, flows at the right length for me because I am quite short. This is just perfect dress or skirt overall. I wore this at my friend's engagement party, and it was just amazing. It's dressy, it can be casual, so like it's just overall versatile, and I love it. I got from there is these khaki green pants. They are like a linen material. They are just amazing. They are like at a great length as well, not too long. Honestly, I love them. Even though it's coming into summer, I feel like these are just really nice to have because they're not heavy on you. Like, and you know, I'm one of those girls where I love wearing shorts, but at the same time, I'm not always wanting to wear shorts. I feel like I get a little uncomfortable wearing shorts all the time. So I feel like having something like this, it's super lightweight. It's just amazing to have. I also got this in a size small, and these are incredible. It's a tie-up waist. They're just overall incredible, and as you'll see on the try on, they are so comfy and just look great. Okay, moving on. I actually just got this in the mail today, so I'm going to open it with you guys. Grab some scissors. I've been waiting for this parcel for literally a week or two now. And I'm super pumped. I can smell it already. Hopefully nothing's spilled everywhere. So if I'm correct, this should be the Labang Body like parcel from Sarah's Day box. She did a collaboration with Labang Body, doing like a whole bunch of like skincare items and just like self-care items, which I thought I should get because honestly, like, I'm pretty lazy when it comes to looking after like your body's skincare and just like overall, like, you know, I'm really good with my face skincare, but like body moisturizer and all that stuff, I'm shocking at. Like, I hate doing it. So when I was looking at this, She made like funny little skits about it and I just fell in love. Yes, it is. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've got a little thing on the side. It says La Bang Hair Hydrate Me. Hydrating hair and scalp mask in the color in the scent coconut. That's not what I bought, but I got that with it, so that's great. Love the packaging too. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Here it is. I love like the coloring too of like everything that she has. The Peachy Clean crushed sugar. So far the packaging is like super sturdy. It has a few scratches on it, but I'm guessing that's just from the packaging. Ooh, that smells amazing. It kind of smells like surf wax. Those, look how cute that is. It's gonna look so cute in the kitchen, in the bathroom. Then there's a Pity Party deodorant, which I'm very curious to see. Looks like that. Yeah, it's literally like a wax, like an organic wax you put under your arms. So I would love to see how that works. And then you got the triple soap bar, which is actually a bit smaller than what I thought. A lot of them are actually a lot smaller than what I thought, but that's okay. Like, hopefully it works. Then I also got a baked eyeshadow. Rich pigment. Okay, cute. I got this in the colour Plum, which was a bit outgoing for me because I'm not really a plum kind of girl. That's this one here. Very like purpley and like got a few shimmers in it. Let's do like a swatch. Wow. Very nice. I think I'm going to like that. That's really nice. And then I got a lipstick. This is a collaboration with Pia. I don't know how to say her last name. She's an Australian blogger. So it's a matte lipstick and it's it is cruelty-free, paraben-free and vegan. Woo-hoo. This is in the colour Carpe. Carpe? So this is it here. Beautiful like rich red colour, which I love. Not really like a peachy red kind of girl. Yeah, very dark, which I love. So I'm very excited to use these products because they're New Zealand and they're new, so I'm super excited for that. Last of all, the biggest haul of like the most out of this is Princess Polly. I love Princess Polly. Most of my wardrobe is from Princess Polly. It's a bad addiction, I guess you could say. I love Princess Polly and I wish they would sponsor me and send me some items or give me a code so I could get you guys to use, but I don't have a code, but you can probably find other people's codes, but just not mine because, yeah, I don't have a code. So I buy so many pieces of clothing from them, so I feel like I need a code, but so you guys could have it, but I don't. So anyway, I'm going to jump straight on in, and the first pair is a pair of shorts. It is just this really cute kind of, I don't know what kind of, it's like a rich blue, I guess you would say, like a light rich blue. I used to hate this blue when I was growing up. They used to have this colour at Super A in Australia, and I hated it. Like, I was like, ew, why would you want to wear that colour? But now I absolutely love it. They're kind of a bit longer, so they cover your butt and like go down your legs a little bit, which I like because I'm not a big fan of my legs. So I like to cover them up a little bit. It's got pockets at the back. It's just like perfect overall amount, and I'm pretty sure these fit my waist perfectly too, and they're a size 8, so I love that. Is a shirt. I picked this up the other day and I absolutely love it. It is probably one of my favorite tops. Yeah, I'd say it's probably one of my favorite tops. I'd probably never wear this out. I don't even know where I'd wear this. Like, it's not something you kind of wear every day. Like, I guess you could. Depends on how like classy and dressy you want to be, but it is just this really cute polka dot shirt right here. I love it so much. I'm not really a big kind of green fan, but this just really like, this ticked so many boxes, and like it's one of those shirts where it gives the square look, but then you can also wear it off the shoulders, so it's kind of very versatile, which I love. It ties up at the front, elastic at the back, and honestly I love this so much. It just looks so amazing on, and just like I just love. So she's a keeper. is a skirt, and if you know me, I'm not really a big skirt kind of girl. Like, I don't wear a lot of skirts. I'm very lazy, and I'd rather just wear jeans, cover up my legs. Most of the time they're pretty hairy because I don't shave a lot, because I'm usually at work, so I'm wearing work pants all the time, so I don't really go out much either, so I don't really shave my legs. TMI. So skirts for me just like, and I don't know, skirts just annoy me, but I got a skirt anyway because I was feeling in a skirt kind of mood when I bought it. So I got this cute little pink rosy shirt. It has like little roses on it, which I love. I love roses. If you couldn't tell, love roses. Just a zip up at the back, has an area for the belt, which I loved about the skirt, because like most like skirts I get don't have the belt option, and most skirts are too big for me, so I can't wear them. So I wish I actually got this in a size 8. I got it in a 6, and when I put it on my butt it does rip a little bit where the zipper is, which is fine, like it's fixable, but it fits perfectly on my waist, so I don't need a belt. But I feel like now I wish I had a belt for it, because it is a little shorter than what I would like, but you can't win there. So I've just got this really cute skirt. I just love it. It's super flowy, super lightweight, and just like really easily to kind of style with. Next item that I got is this cute, so okay, so I'm going to start off here by saying the leopard trend. The leopard print trend I like, but then at the same time I hate, because I've never really found a pattern that I've loved. Like, I've bought so many like different patterns of leopard, and I feel like leopard only suits certain people. Like only certain people can pull it off. And I've always felt that I wasn't one of those people, but I found this gorgeous dress from Princess Polly, and I'd been eyeing it off for ages, thinking, oh, should I get it? You know, is it worth it? Because like, you know, I can always send it back, but I was like, like, is it worth even trying on? Because like most of the time it doesn't look nice. Well, was I wrong? This dress is gorgeous. It is such like a different kind of leopard or cheetah print that I've ever seen. Instead of like the light browns and the dark browns together, it's just like one chocolate dark brown print, and then has a little like the little black tiger like leopard print bit on it. I don't know, there's just something different about it that I love. It has a slit in the side of the dress, which I love, which you'll see in the try on. It's a bit hard to show here. Yeah, it just has like a really good shape about it, and I love it. So this is one piece that I love, and if you're not a fan of tiger print or whatever, leopard print, I feel like you'll definitely like this, because I loved it. It's actually the piece that I'm wearing now. It's a jumpsuit, so it's quite long, but this is it kind of now. So I'm a bit lazy, I haven't tied it up. So it ties up here, and it like really cinches in the waist. You can either have it like really baggy like I did, or like how I like my things to be. I love my things to be really singed into my waist, because my waist is my favorite part. So I like to cinch it in, and it just like gives you an overall shape. It's a jumpsuit. It is like a linen material, and you can either button it up and be a bit of a prude, or you can leave it down, even have another button undone if you really want to be like out there. It's long. It's so different from what I would usually wear, which I love, because I'm trying to be more sophisticated with my style and just kind of like go out there with my style. What is happening to my voice? Okay, so that is the end of this haul. I did have quite a lot of things. Whoops. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And if you subscribed after watching this video, if you got this far, leave me a comment down below that you made it this far, because you did well. You did well. Let me know what shops you'd like me to shop at and review, because I'm more than happy to do more like that in the future. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye!